Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the use of conditional operators and structures to make decisions in your Arduino programs. These fundamental concepts allow your code to react differently under various conditions, making your projects more dynamic and intelligent. Conditional operators evaluate a condition and decide the flow of execution based on whether the condition is true or false. The most common conditional operators in Arduino C++ are the equals, not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. These operators are used to compare values and determine the outcome of expressions. The if statement is the simplest conditional operator method. It evaluates a condition and executes a block of code if the condition is true. The if-else statement allows you to execute one block of code if a condition is true and another block if the condition is false. An else-if ladder is useful when you have multiple conditions to check sequentially. Logical operators like the logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT are used to combine or invert conditions. Here is an example. This program prints value is between 5 and 10 because the value 7 meets both conditions. Remember, these examples are designed to be simple and don't require any external hardware. They're meant to help you understand the basic structures for making decisions in your Arduino projects. So in this video, we briefly covered the foundational concepts of using conditional operators and structures to control the flow of your Arduino programs. I invite you to experiment with these examples and create your own conditions to see how they affect the program's execution. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button to let me know and subscribe to never miss new videos. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.